How's it going, YouTubers? It's me, AMR. Welcome to my unboxing video. In this unboxing video, I will show you a case that is never been unboxed on YouTube. That's right, on the whole of YouTube. Before purchasing this case, I wanted to see for myself what it looks like in person. And I was searching for a YouTube video, and there was no YouTube videos of this case, man. This case is from AliExpress. It's a nameless case. It has no name. So I don't know what to call it. So what I'm gonna call it is AliExpress black and gold case. There we have it. Looks absolutely incredible. Now this can come in many different designs. It comes in a lion design. It comes in all the designs. I can't say a link in description below because I do not recommend the seller I got it from, because he took 2 months to get it to me. And yeah. And plus, right from the back, I am a little bit disappointed of the colour, the gold colour. That is not gold. That is bronze, dude. That is bronze. That is not gold at all. But other than that, this is hard tempered glass right here. Looks absolutely incredible. Beautiful, man. Let's get that out. There we go. It's layered from the inside as well. To be honest with you, you can't bend this. If you bend this, it's gonna crack from the back. And pretty hard, tough stuff from the inside. It's got a texture, turquoise type of texture from the inside. And yeah, there's the case for you. This case has not been unboxed anywhere on YouTube, and that is a fact. If you guys can challenge me to that, then link a video down in the comment section below showing me a video, because I couldn't find a single video that showed this case in action. This is the first time in the history of YouTube you will be seeing S21 Ultra in this beautiful case. Right, let me plug it in. Dude, I'm not gonna lie, this is actually pretty hard to get in here, man. 1 minute, give me a moment. There we go. Dude, it feels amazing. That's the back. I'm gonna be honest with you, right on from the back. The grip is like if you're holding the phone without the case. That's what the grip is, right? So basically, grip is non-existent. Other than that, the buttons, I can confirm the buttons are top notch. It's not like the X-Tone blue case that I unboxed before, and then later wrote in the comments below that the buttons are not aligned. But this AliExpress case, buttons are aligned. Let me have a quick look on the side edges. Oh my days, guys! This AliExpress case, the edges they can be seen. I don't know if you can see them, but the edges are literally, the case is slightly gone under the edge. So wait, let me just turn the screen on there. I don't know if the camera's gonna show, but take my words for it. People like me that've got a phone with an edge, this case shows the edge. I mean, the edge is there to be seen. And yeah, dude, I'm in love with the case so much. Only downside is these were shown as gold in the picture, but over here they're bronze. I don't like that. I really don't. But I still love the case for what it is. It's like this is a screen. This is literally, I can't tell the difference between the front screen and the back screen. Absolutely incredible, man. If you got any questions regarding this case, do not forget to write down comments below. Man's gonna answer all questions, answer them all. Do not forget to hit the like button. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button, and take care of yourselves. This case is awesome, man. Peace out.